Hi, Sarah here. I've got a bit of a collective haul video for you today. So this is a combination of some design team bits and bobs, some bits that I'm going to be using for an embellishment swap. So without further ado, I'll show you first off what I got from Home Bargains. Over on Michelle's channel, I will link her below. Oh, confetti randomly there. I will link her below. She's doing an embellishment box swap and it's a UK only one. And if you're interested, then do head over there. If it's still open, I will link it. If it's closed, then I just won't bother. But as far as I know, it is still going at the moment. And what you have to do is, there's 4 boxes in here. You have to do 2 boxes of embellishments to send to someone else. So I got these 4 boxes for just over £1. I got this gorgeous iridescent, reminds me of mermaids, confetti, some tissue paper, and as well as 2 boxes you do 2 treat bags. So I did buy these treat bags. I probably won't use these. I'll probably just use them as a guide for the measurement, so that I do about the right size bag to for each box as well. So that is what I got from Home Bargains. I got a small order from I've got a card here, Snail Mail by Jodie. So it's like all ephemera, a few stickers, washi, that kind of thing. So if you want to check out that shop, I will link it below. It's an Etsy store. And from there I got a couple of these washies. I've got one myself, so I decided to get 2 for my swap partners because it's so cute with its cute little gold foil bow on. And I also got a couple of ephemera packs, one with some cute mermaids and one with deers and swans. I'll quickly get them out so you can see them better. So here's the deer and swans ephemera pack, and here's the mermaid one. So you get lots of cute little characters there. My next order is from Rainbow Resins, and I will link it below. And she specialises in hard to get resin, like cabochon flowers and embellishments, and then puts together mixes, or you can have them custom made as well. So I got a few different packs of these. I won't take them all out because there's just so many of them, but I will leave pictures at the end of them. And if you head over to her site, she's got great pictures of them anyway, so you can see what you're getting. Apologies if you can hear my little boy on his Kindle in the background. It's a way of keeping him a bit quieter while I do this. So again, I am going to be popping a few of these in my embellishment boxes. And the last one. So you can get them in mixes, you can get individual flowers if there's, or gems that you specifically like as well, or she can put together a mix for you. So that is what I got from Rainbow Resins. Next up, this is my Lollypop box, and this one is called Be Happy, and it comes with a really cute card as well. So I'll quickly do a bit of an unboxing of this. I know that other people do unboxings, so I'm not going to go into too much detail with it, but I'll just show you a general gist of what comes in these boxes. You get a little tag there. There's always lots of confetti tissue in there as well. I have this cute embroidered bee paper clip on a tag. I have this one, it's DIY, so this will be something for me to build and create with. And that is the Lollypop box. So I'll put this to one side now. Finally, I have my Crafty Ribbons design team ribbons that I've ordered, especially for projects that I'll be doing over the next 6 months or so. So I will show you what I got one at a time here. I have these beachy themed ribbons and a spotted ribbon that goes well with it as well, for doing layouts or mixed media projects with those. Again, quite beachy themed. I got some striped ribbons in various widths. There's like a thin, if you see the black one in the middle, there's thin, a medium and wide. And I've got a navy, royal, yellow and black in those. So they go really well for summer projects, but also will work for other occasions as well, especially for boy layouts, which I do a lot of because I've got a little boy. I have these two vehicle ribbons which have various little sayings on them and various trucks and cars and things. I have another beachy one here which has buckets and spades and umbrellas, and then a keep calm and eat chocolate. Again, I use them a lot for my holiday pictures of my little boy. I have various colours and thicknesses of rickrack. I use this a lot on projects. It works really well to create texture on layouts and things. So I've got some yellow, aqua, blue, white, black and this beige colour, which I think will work really well for beachy type projects as well. Here's an example of how I use rickrack. So I've used it on this one to create a watery seaweed effect on this tag. I have a couple more sheer spotty ribbons in chocolatey brown and white and mint green and black. I have these beautiful ombre effect ribbons, if I can get it to focus. And I've got a yellow, a lighter blue and a slightly darker blue. And finally I have this vehicle ribbon as well. So that is everything I have to show you today. Thanks for joining me. Check out the links below for all the shops, and if you do want to join in this embellishment box challenge, then click on the link I'll leave below and all the details will be on Michelle's video. So thanks again for joining me. Bye!